A reverse mortgage is a program, and it's a government-sponsored program called HECM, Home Equity Conversion Mortgage. And it's for folks that are seniors, 62 and above. So it's reserved just for them. So one, you got an age requirement. But there is some merit to it. And I wouldn't completely abolish reverse mortgages because there are some components of it that could be beneficial for a lot of people. And, the consensus is look, you work so hard for your home and now you've got lots of equity or your home paid off. Why not do a reverse mortgage so you've got access? Now it becomes somewhat like a retirement plan. It's bridging the gap. It's supplemental income. So a reverse mortgage can be structured multiple ways where one, you don't have a payment, but you also have access to a line of credit. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, at HECM, Home Equity Conversion Mortgage, there's one component in it that makes it work, and it's called a home equity line of credit. So why don't we just start with that for free? So you could have no payment, or you could have a much lower payment and have access to more line, or you could even structure it where you have no payment and it's actually paying you on a monthly basis. So let's say somebody retires, didn't have a retirement plan, but they got Social Security, and that's not enough to kind of bridge the gap of living expenses, but they own a home. They could actually have the home actually send them supplemental income. The reason why I say it could be good for some folks is you could end up owing more than what the home is worth, and the rest is forgiven at your death. Where in a home equity line of credit, that's not the case. So one, you can't really owe more than what the value is of when you originally got the transaction. So you can't go above and beyond what the home is worth on a home equity line of credit, where in a reverse mortgage you can, and that debt is not forgiven. So there, I would tip the hat to a reverse mortgage. Like certain situations, I could see where a reverse mortgage might make sense for some seniors that need that supplemental income and don't want to leave a legacy of debt to their kids or grandkids or something. But we teach how to create your own reverse mortgage, excluding those circumstances, how to do it for free. Because again, what's embedded inside of a reverse mortgage that makes it work? A home equity line of credit. And by and large, home equity lines of credit are free. So instead of paying a broker tens of thousands of dollars, who's going to earn tens or thousands of dollars in commissions to execute this transaction, we'll teach you how to do it yourself by walking down to the credit union or bank and open up a home equity line of credit and structuring it in a way that it pays you supplemental income, and it didn't cost you a penny. So it's called a reverse mortgage because we think of a mortgage as debt that we have to service and we pay into. A reverse mortgage is the opposite of that. It's reverse. It could be no payment, and it could even be supplemental income that it's paying you. So it's the opposite, but debt is accumulating and growing in that scenario.